So it's going to be useful to look at keyboard controls. So I'm going to start simple. I've got my player here. I've got left, right. I'm used to pressing the up key to make him jump, but in GDevelop by default is the space key. I don't like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it with events, keyboard events in here instead. So I'm going to add a new event which is going to be other conditions keyboard on key pressed, specific key being pressed, and I should be able to find the up somewhere in here. I could probably just search for it, but I can just go to up. Okay, and when up is pressed, my player, because he's a platformer, I've got controls. I'm going to simulate jump key press. Okay, let's check that works. Yep, I'm much happier with that. But space key still jumps as well. So I'm actually going to go a little bit further than that. I'm going to go back into my player. And you see that he's got over here, if I edit his behavior, which is the platform, has got default controls. And just to give myself that little bit more control, I'm going to turn those off, and I'm going to go into here and I'm going to do the left and right manually, and then the spacebar won't make him jump. So player, what was it? Yeah, it was keyboard, wasn't it? Keyboard. Keyboard on key pressed, and search for left key is we're going to simulate pressing left. Player, simulate left key press, and same for right. New event, let's just Control C, Control V, drag that down, change that to right, and Control C, Control V. Actually, will it let me do that? Can I can't change that, can I? Actually, so I'm going to delete that, add action, player, simulate pressing right, and check it works. So I've got up, right, left, and the spacebar doesn't do anything, which is a good thing because spacebar is going to be shoot things, which I'll do in the next video.